Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can add products from your AliExpress to your Shopify store. So it's a simple process. All you have to do is just simply go to your browser, then go to your Shopify store, then click on apps, then simply search for Deezer, then hit enter. Now just simply click on Deezer's AliExpress dropshipping, then click on add app and click on install app. Now make sure to create an account over here, and after creating an account, choose the free plan and click on get started. Now choose AliExpress over here. Now click let's import products. Now quickly just simply click on next, then hit OK, then again next, then again OK. Now after you have done that, you can see all of the products from AliExpress in your Deezer site over here. Or what you can do is just simply go to AliExpress, then open a new tab and search for Deezer's Chrome extension, then add this extension into your Google Chrome, then click on add extension and make sure to pin this over here so it will be accessible all the time. Go back to AliExpress, refresh the page, make sure to log in into your account in the AliExpress as well. Now let's add some product. So let's say, for example, if I want some toy, simply search for toys. Now, for example, if I want to add this particular product, all you have to do is just simply click on the product, then click on add Deezer's over here. And as you can see, I have not currently logged in my Deezer's account. So just simply go ahead and log into your Deezer's account or Shopify store account. You can log into any one of those. So I will just simply go and log into my Deezer's account. So just simply log in and it will take you to your Shopify Deezer's site. So now what you have to do is close this panel, click on add to Deezer's. Now as you can see, it is imported successfully. So what you have to do now is just simply click on the extension, click on discover Deezer partner, then log in. Now go to the import list over here. As you can see, the product has now imported over here. Now all you have to do is just simply click on this checkbox over here and click on push to Shopify, or you can just simply click on the Shopify icon over here and it will be the same thing, push to Shopify. So click on it. Now it will give you a basic information about the product. So if you want to make some changes over here, like continue selling when out of stock, also publish to online store. Now after you have made all the changes over here, just simply click on push to Shopify. And now if you go back to your Shopify store, if you go to products, the product has been added over here. And if you click on it, you will have all the details regarding that product, the pictures, the variants, and all the details regarding to it. So all you have to do is just simply list the product into your site and you're done. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.